everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm really excited to show you some amazing products today that I've been sitting on for quite a while. I've been waiting to find the perfect opportune time to use these products, and what better time than summertime to get into the Sol De Janeiro collection. It has the shampoo, conditioner, bum cream, and a beautiful fragrance mist. This is a 4-piece set from Sol De Janeiro, and it's the Splashy Celebration collection. I actually got interested in the Sol De Janeiro products from a fellow YouTuber, Peter Mon. He always brags about how beautiful and wonderful the products are from Sol De Janeiro. He always buys the shampoo, conditioner, all the products. So I wanted to give it a try, and I found this wonderful collection to sample everything and see if I like it or not. This is the 4-piece collection. I am really loving it. It smells so strong. You can really smell that tropical scent. And you also get a perfume, but I actually kind of already used it. It was a little sample of the Sol Carosa 62 Sol De Janeiro Eau de perfume. I love this scent. This scent is so amazing, so beautiful. Great for a nice relaxing summer vibe, vacation or outing. I love this perfume so much. I got this little card because I wanted to get the full-size product for this perfume, so I have this on hand to remind me, hey, that's what it's called and that's what I'm looking for. So I like keeping little cards like these just as a little reminder of like, hey, I like that, I should go check it out. I have the shampoo and the conditioner. So we're going to get into washing my hair today because my hair is just so greasy and nasty from all these summer days and sweating up a storm. So it's time to get in, relax, and just chill. I am just excited to try it. Oh, it smells so wonderful. It smells like their fragrance. Oh, it smells so good. This is what the shampoo looks like right here. It's a nice, very rich, creamy shampoo. Just going to put it on a little bit right here, just on my ends, so I can just move on to the conditioner, and let's see what that one is like. Ooh, has a hard time coming out. Oh, it's very creamy. That's what it looks like right here. Brazilian nut and buriti fruit oil. That is the smell of the product, and it smells so good. Just rubbing it in my hair so I'm not wasting the product. I can just, give my hair a little bit of a pre-shampoo and condition. I'm going to use the Brazilian Hoya shampoo from Sol De Janeiro. I'm going to use a little bit like that, well, kind of like a lot, but we're going to massage it, and it looks so good. I'm going to massage it in my hair, work it in. Feels so good, you guys. It's really getting into my hair, and it's actually like making it feel so super soft just from the shampoo alone. I love the way my hair feels right now. I'm going to go and rinse my hair out, so I'll be back in a few to tell you my experience with the shampoo. I just got done washing my hair with the shampoo, and I have to tell you that it is just phenomenal. I really love the scent, and I really love the way it makes my hair feel. It's very rich and creamy, and it really gets in there with a good lather, and your hair feels just so soft after you're done washing it with just the shampoo alone. The shampoo is so good, and it's for strengthening and smoothing hair, so that's going to be really great for our color treated friends out there who love to color the hair. Now I'm going to go in with the conditioner, and it's very thick, like it doesn't even want to come out of the bottle that well. That's how thick it is. It's very rich, thick, and creamy. I think they need to improve their cap. We're going to have to unscrew the cap and do it that way, I guess. So, let me show you what the product looks like. Oop, there you go. I'm going to rub my ends with it as well, like I did with the shampoo. Just that way my hair can get more nutrients at the ends, because my ends sometimes feel very dry. So I'm going to start with the ends, and then I'm going to work up to my roots and through the rest of my hair. It feels kind of like a mask in a way. It feels like a mask consistency. So I'm not sure if you have to leave this in for a few minutes, but I would, just to get an added conditioned feel to your hair. I'm going to jump in the shower real quick and get back to you with my thoughts on both the shampoo and conditioning set. Okay guys, I am done with my shower, and I have to tell you that the shampoo conditioner is amazing. My hair actually feels thicker and richer than it did before I started this video. My hair feels so clean and full of life. Like, my hair just feels so amazing. Smells so fresh and wonderful and very nourished. I actually left my conditioner in for an additional like 5 minutes, just so that way you can have like a mask feel, and it would really penetrate into my hair and actually condition it and strengthen it. That's what I like to do sometimes with like a very rich conditioner like this one, is leave it in for like a few minutes and then wash it out, so that way my hair just gets a little bit of added nutrients in it as well, and it just gives it a little bit more of a better feel overall. Let's get into the world famous Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. It says that it actually is fast absorbing and helps visibly tighten the appearance of skin. I gotta use this all over my body then, because oh my god, I need some tightening. So we're just going to use it on our bum bum. And let's see, oh, it is very rich and creamy. I don't know if you guys can see that, but oh my god, it's a very rich, thick consistency. So we're going to use some of the lotion from the top of here and see what it's going to do. Will it change our lives? I don't know. So we're going to put that off to the side here. I'm going to rub it in, and I have some shorts on so that way you can see me put on my bum bum cream right here. And we're going to just smooth it around. We're going to do the same for the other side as well. Moving in upward circular motions. Gonna rub a little bit on our thigh right here too. Should do the same for the other side as well, a little bit. So we're gonna do that motion, and we're gonna really lift up the skin by doing upward motions. That is the Bum Bum Cream, and I really like the feel of it. It's not too fast absorbing. I would say it doesn't really absorb that fast, but it does absorb into the skin. I can feel it. It's not leaving a greasy, nasty, cakey, nasty film. Like, it's nothing like that whatsoever. Right here I have to top it off, the Sol De Janeiro Brazilian Crush Carosa 62 body spray for hair and body. So we're just going to use it for our body right now. Just going all over. It smells so heavenly. Okay, I'm ready for a tropic oasis vacation right now. That's how I feel right now. This stuff is very energizing. I highly recommend it if you want to use it in the morning to give yourself a nice burst of energy in the morning and just set yourself in for a good mood and vibe. I am obsessed with the Sol De Janeiro collection. I highly recommend you guys pick up some of these products for the summer months. The summer months are vastly fading away, so go pick yourself up some great, wonderful products from Sol De Janeiro. I think you'll love it, and I'm very excited that Peter Mon had mentioned these products in like some of his videos, or I would have never known about them whatsoever. So a big Thank you and shout out to Peter Mon for suggesting some great products in his videos. I love them. So another Sol De Janeiro fan right here. Thank you so much for watching my Sol De Janeiro review video. If you guys like the video, please let me know by leaving a huge thumbs up down below. It's very appreciated. Also, while you're here, subscribe. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.